How do pre-existing injuries affect your personal injury case? Hi, welcome to Daggett Shuler, Attorneys at Law. Many people who are injured in car accidents want to know how their pre-existing medical conditions might affect their case, and for good reason. The denial of all injuries stemming from an accident due to a previous injury is one of the most common defenses raised by an insurance adjuster or defense lawyer. But despite how often it is used against a victim, pre-existing medical conditions do not preclude you from collecting for injuries sustained in a car accident. In fact, injured parties may be able to obtain compensation for the worsening of their pre-existing condition. Let's look at an example. A person who had back pain prior to an accident who can still work and lift their children, but after an accident requires a spinal fusion, cannot work, and cannot lift anything more than 10 pounds. That person can possibly recover compensation for the difference between the pre- and post-accident disability. It is important to note pre-existing injuries relate to only that body part. Even though insurance adjusters will try to use one pre-existing injury to deny coverage for all injuries, that is a tricky tactic and not the law. This means that a victim who has a pre-existing foot injury but suffered a broken arm in a car accident cannot be denied all compensation for a pre-existing injury. In addition to these three important points, there are other factors relating to pre-existing injuries or conditions that may come up in your case. To learn more about how our experienced personal injury attorneys at Daggett Shuler can help you, contact us today by dialing 336-724-1234 for a free consultation, or reach out to us through our website at daggettshulerlaw.com.